I have driven the 2026 Hyundai Palisade, and now I have driven the 2027 Kia Telluride, and I can tell you that after having driven both, that the best one you could get is this, the 27 Kia Telluride X-Pro. And let me tell you why. Why do I prefer the Kia Telluride to the new Hyundai Palisade? Well, it's what's under the hood. The new standard powertrain is a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine making 274 horsepower but 311 pounds-feet of torque. That's 49 pounds-feet of torque more than the outgoing Telluride, and it's also more torque than the standard 3.5-liter V6 in the new Hyundai Palisade. What else do you get with the X-Pro trim package? Well, you get these tow hooks, both front and rear. You get a lot of blacked out trim along the sides and along the roof as well. You get all-terrain tires that are 18-inch wheels instead of the larger 20-inch wheels like you'd get on, say, the upmarket hybrids. And all of it together works really pretty well. It's a little bit louder when you're driving it because of those all-terrain tires, but it also rides really well because those sidewalls are big and tall and squishy. The X-Pro trim also gets you a special blacked out interior with what Kia is calling engineered carbon trim. You can see it on the center console, you can see it on the dash as well. These seats are very comfortable, and there are 3 rows of them as well, just like in the Hyundai Palisade. So you've got the room inside, but with this X-Pro trim and that standard 4-cylinder turbo engine, frankly, this one is the best one to get. The 27 Kia Telluride X-Pro is not going to come cheap. This thing is going to cost upwards of 50 grand or even a little bit more. So having that standard turbo engine and all these extra off-road goodies, it's going to come a little bit at a cost. If you'd like to see more about the new Kia Telluride and any of the new Kia lineup, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.